In this video, I will show you how to buy PEPE coin on Trust Wallet in 2023. So let's jump straight into it. First, what you're going to want to do is, of course, open up Trust Wallet on your device. And I do apologize if the screen goes blank. It's just when you enter your passcode, if you're recording your screen, it does block out for security reasons. So once you're logged into Trust Wallet, what you're going to want to do is just simply, you're going to see some options at the top and you want to click onto the buy button here. Now, just go ahead in the search box and type PEPE. And you'll see this should come up at the top. So you want to press onto that and go ahead and choose how much PEPE you want to buy. So in this example, the minimum purchase is $30. So I'm just going to go ahead and put $50. And once that's done, what you want to do is click the next button at the bottom. What it's going to do is now take you across to the exchange and you're going to see details of the transaction. So it's going to say how much PEPE you're going to get for your price and any associated fees. So once that's done, all you want to do is pop your card details into here and you can save your card for future purchases if you want. Make sure you tick to say you've read the terms and conditions and then go ahead and press next. Once you've pressed on next, that's going to go ahead and check out and allow you to buy PEPE coin on Trust Wallet. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial and I will see you in the next video.